today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could want to know about this Fanttik portable vacuum. We're going to suck all this stuff up. You could see up close how this thing works. I'll answer all your questions. Is it good for pet hair? What's the battery life like? Is this easy to use? How do you get rid of all this stuff it collects? Going to walk through all the accessories you have here, and yeah, so let's get into it. So this is the Fanttik right over here. This is good for pet hair. It has its own separate attachment for that, which we'll get into in a second. The battery life on this is going to be about 30 minutes on high, 30 minutes on low, 15 minutes on high, and then if you're kind of using high and low, it will be a mix in between there, so probably like 20 minutes, just really depends. This is the design of it right over here. Super easy to use, easy to clean. So in order to do this, this is going to be, I'll go through all the attachments real quick, and then we'll kind of suck this stuff up, and I'll show you everything. So we're going to get this right over here. So this just connects exactly like this. You literally just put this in like that. No, you don't need any connections, or you don't have to snap anything in. You'll literally just put this in and this is good to go. This is going to be great for your car, so you could get in between the seats, get in the cup holders. This is going to be great for in between the house, or in between the couch cushions, or if you just have like a kind of a quick corner you want to grab just like that, you could use this one right over here. What this is not going to be good for is something like goldfish. Because for this attachment, what happens is the goldfish are going to be sucked up and they're kind of going to get caught up in here. I will show you the attachment that we would use for goldfish in a second, and we'll go through there. This would be the attachment used for goldfish. So this is the other one, a little bit bigger. We're gonna get this piece right over here. So this is gonna be good. This is a nice bristly brush right over here to kind of get stuff and pet hair. We're gonna get this right over here. We get this extra filter over here. And then we also have this over there. You're gonna be wondering, why is there a computer over here? Because this could do many different things. This is not only a vacuum, you could also use this as a blower. So to blow, you could blow leaves off your car. You could use it for your keyboard, which we're gonna use over here in a little bit. And then you could also inflate with this, and you could also use this as a vacuum sealer if you have vacuum seal bags, and we'll walk through that. So this end right over here is going to be the vacuum end. This over here is going to be your suction and blow end. This is how we're going to charge it here. It is rechargeable. It charges really quickly. To take the debris out of here, you got two options. You either screw this off just like that to pop out this filter and dump it out, or what you could do is you could just, and then you lock that right there, or you could lift this latch up, pull this down right over here, lift this latch up, and then it's going to open that, and you could just empty it right over there. Doesn't really matter. I like the fact that it has this additional latch so the stuff doesn't fall out. So let's get into this right now. So let's kind of go over here, and I'm going to show you the blower in action. So we got some dog food, we got some goldfish, and then we got some crumbs right over here. So we're just gonna put this one right in over here. We're gonna move this a little closer so you can kind of see up front exactly how quickly this sucks up. So we're gonna use this for the dog food, this for the breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna come back around with this for the goldfish, and then I'm gonna show you how to do the actual computer. So to power this on, we're literally just gonna hold this down, just like that. You'll see you have your battery right over there, and this means it's on the low. If you want to go to your high setting, you hit the button again, and you're good to go. For stuff like this, low works. You'll see right over here, sucking up the dog food very quickly, and you'll see all of it is right up in here. The suction works great on this. In some other vacuums we've had in the past, what would happen is it goes back down here, which is super annoying. Now let's kind of get these crumbs right over here. See how quickly it picked up all these crumbs? And that's the big difference here. It's sucking it up here, and it does not let it go down there. So we're gonna shut this off. We're gonna switch out the pieces. So we're just gonna hold that down just like that. We got our stuff right in there. No big deal. Now, you'll notice right over here, this stuff is not coming out of here. In other vacuums in the past, sometimes all this stuff gets stuck in here and it doesn't allow you, it like just kind of falls out. So you're constantly vacuuming it. You don't have to worry about that with this. So we're gonna go with this piece right over here. So we're just gonna pop this in just like this. Make sure you go the right way here. And then we're gonna get these goldfish, and I'm gonna show you how to do the other end in just a second. So again, we're just gonna power this on just like this. let's go high for this one right over here. And we're just gonna suck these goldfish up just like that. Super easy. This attachment could be used for pretty much everything right over here. You see it could just pick up just pretty much about anything. So now we got this pretty much full right over here based on that, which is great. So if we wanted to empty this, we could either twist it or go the other way. Now, in terms of how do we use the inflate feature and the blow feature. So to use that, we're going to use this opposite end right over here. So these pieces are going to be the ones that you'll use. This is mainly for a blow function. This one right here is a little tighter, and this one is going to be mainly for like a keyboard. So what you're going to do is you're just going to line this up just like that. We're going to take this piece off right over here. Just like that. We're just pop that off real easy. And then you'll see right over here, we're gonna turn this on. This is a blow feature right over here. So you could see if you had stuff in your keyboard or whatever you wanted to do, you do have that option to kind of bring it up here and just kind of blow it out, whatever kind of gunk is in there. You'll see right over here, there's some stuff in there. It kind of blows it away. If you wanted to take this to the high level, you could get that going right over there. Just really like the fact that this does both. I don't know if I've really come across one that does multiple things. So, and the last part of all this, it also has a carrying case, which is super nice. So once you have you're done with whatever you're doing, I would empty this right over here. And then everything fits nicely in this bag. So you don't have to worry about anything really getting lost. You don't have to worry about putting everything back in this box. It does come in a really nice box, just like this. Just really easy to use. Takes about 3 hours to charge, which is nice. You do get this USB-C, so it's going to be USB, and then you charge it with a USB-C. Just throw it into a block, and you'd be good to go with this. Just love the fact how versatile this is. You use this for computers. You could use this for your couch. You could use this for a car. So many different uses, and you'll see right over here, everything actually does fit in here. And you get a nice little drawstring, and you could either put this in a closet, you could put this in your car. I typically leave this in my car because that's where I'm using it most. So if you are looking for a great car vacuum, portable vacuum, that's good for pet hair, good for goldfish, crumbs. You could either blow your computer out. You could use this as a compressor for vacuum seal bag, and so many uses for this. Great battery life, just really, really nice, very light. It's just over 1 pound. So if you're looking for a great portable vacuum, definitely check this out. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right portable vacuum for you.